Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to hide your Steam game activity. So if you went to our browser, okay, and we will try here to hide a Steam games. As you can see, you're gonna see launch Steam. Hover on the cursor over your username, and then select View My Profile. Click the Edit Profile button, and then select Privacy Settings. And then next to the game details, click Public and set it to Friends only or Private if you don't want anyone to see your list of played games. So you can see right here at demonstration, you can see my profile if you want it to be public, or you can see under my profile, you're gonna see game details, and from there you're gonna be able to set it only to private. Alright, let's find out in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one, and don't forget to follow us on social media.